We'll guide you through how to find ChatGPT in the App Store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. You need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in ChatGPT and hit the search button. You'll see a list of applications. Look for the official app by OpenAI, which should have their logo. It's important to ensure you're downloading the correct app, as there might be other apps with similar names. You can verify it's the right one by checking the developer's name, which should be OpenAI. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its page. Here, you can read a brief description of the app and see some screenshots. To download it, tap the Get button, and if prompted, confirm with your Face ID, Touch ID, or password. The app will begin downloading, and once it's done, you can open it directly from the App Store by tapping the Open button, or you can find it on your home screen. If you want to save time in the future, consider adding the app to your favorites by tapping the Share button and selecting Add to Home Screen for quick access. Remember, keeping your apps updated ensures you have the latest features and security enhancements, so check for updates regularly in the App Store. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.